sailing on.
Hi my dear students, let us revise Mathematics Chapter 1 today. I would like to give you a few very important questions. So please write question number 1. The algebraic form of an arithmetic sequence. As all of you know, the first chapter is arithmetic sequences. So it's a question from that chapter. The algebraic form of an arithmetic sequence is an plus b. An plus b. This is the algebraic form. Full stop. If the AP means arithmetic progression. Okay. If the sequence is 9, 6, 3, etc. This is the sequence. If the sequence is 9, 6, 3, etc. Find A and B. Find A and B. Small letter A and small letter B. Okay. So this is the question. It's very important. It's often asked in the SSLC exams. So you have got an arithmetic sequence here. Arithmetic sequence is a number sequence in which a common term is added to every term to find the next term. As you know, here a fixed number is added to each term to find the next term. So the sequence is given 9, 6, 3, etc. So the sequence is 9, 6, 3, etc. And first you have to find out its common difference, and then you just need to find out its algebraic form. Okay. So what is the common difference? You write the title answer. Given 9, 6, 3, etc. Given arithmetic sequence. Then common difference D. How will you find out its common difference? By subtracting 9 from 6, or by subtracting 6 from 3, you get the common difference. So D is equal to 6 minus 9, it is equal to negative 3. 6 minus 9 is negative 3, not positive 3. You must remember that. So D is equal to 6 minus 9, it is equal to negative 3. So it's evident from the sequence that the values are going on decreasing. So its common difference must be negative. You have got it. D is equal to negative 3. Then can you say what formula you are using to find out its algebraic form? Write xn is equal to dn plus f minus d. This is the equation. It's the equation used in your text to find the algebraic expression of any arithmetic sequence. Xn is equal to dn plus f minus d. If any of you do not know this, you have to learn this by heart first. So substitute. It is equal to negative 3n. You are simply substituting d and f. D negative 3n plus first term. F is the first term 9. 9 minus negative 3. There is a negative, but the common difference is at another negative number. So minus 3. It is equal to negative 3n plus 9 plus 3. It is equal to negative 3n plus 12. Negative 3n plus 12. You have got the algebraic form as negative 3n plus 12. You can never add negative 3 and 12 here because there is no n with 12. Only like terms can be added. So xn is equal to negative 3n plus 12 is the algebraic expression or algebraic form of this arithmetic sequence. But from this, how can you find out the value of a and b? Given the algebraic form is an plus b. So you have to just write an plus b is equal to negative 3n plus 12. n plus b is equal to negative 3n plus 12. From here, you get the value of a as negative 3 and b as positive 12. Therefore, a is equal to negative 3 and b is equal to 12. This is your final answer. So the question is an important one because it is not a question directly asking you to find out the algebraic form, but the algebraic form has been given as an plus b and you are asked to find out a and b. So this is the way of asking a good question, and I hope the question is clear to all my students. Students, let us do another problem from the first chapter, Arithmetic Sequences, and write question number 2. You have to write along with me. Okay. The sum of first 10 terms, the sum of first 10 terms of an arithmetic sequence is 5n square plus 3n. 5n square plus 3n. This is the sum of first 10 terms of an arithmetic sequence. Question number A. Find the first term. Find the first term and common difference. Find the first term and common difference. And the question number B. What is the algebraic form of the sequence? What is the algebraic form of the sequence? And sometimes in this question you may get a question to write down the AP itself. So it's very simple. If you get the first term and common difference, you can directly find out the next two terms and write the sequence as well. But here, question number A is to find the first term and common difference. What's given in the question? Sum of first 10 terms. So answer A, given Sn is equal to 5n square plus 3n. Sum of first 10 terms is notated using Sn. Sum of first n terms is equal to 5n square plus 3n. Students, you just need to substitute 1 for n. You get sum of first 1 terms. Sum of first 1 term means the first term itself. There is only one term. So if you find S1, you get, instead of substituting for n as 1, you just need to add 5 and 3. Because if you give 1 for n, 1 square will be 1 itself, and here also 3 into 1 will be 3 itself. So S1 is equal to sum of the coefficients, sum of 5 and 3. You can save time. Okay, S1 is equal to 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. Students, you must understand, sum of first 1 term means first term x1. Usually the first term is represented by x1. So x1 is equal to 8, or it is represented by small letter f. First term is equal to 8. But if you substitute 2 for n, let us see what you get. S2 is equal to 5 into 2 square plus 3 into 2. You have to mind the importance of brackets in mathematics. Don't forget to give brackets here, single brackets, and here is also some brackets needed. It is equal to 5 into 4 plus 6. It is equal to 26. Sum of first 2 terms will be 26. You get 26. Okay, 5 into 4, 20 plus 6, 26. But here, sum of first 2 terms is not the second term. It is the sum of first term and second term. Sum of first 2 terms is 26. And how will you find out the second term? By subtracting the first term from S2. So, right below that, x2 is equal to 26 minus 8. It is equal to 18. So, x2, second term, you get second term by subtracting x1 from S2. So, x2 is equal to 26 minus 8, 18. You got the second term as well. Now, f is equal to, common difference d is equal to 18 minus 8, it is equal to 10. So you got the first term as 8 and common difference as 10, positive 10. Okay. 18 is the second term. So 18 minus first term, you get the common difference. Answer B. You have got the first term and common difference now. First term is 8 and common difference is 10. So you can directly calculate the algebraic form. Answer B. Answer B. So what formula you are using to find the algebraic form? We have just told it. Xn is equal to Dn plus f minus t. Xn means nth term. Xn represents the algebraic expression, algebraic form of the given sequence. It is equal to 10n plus 8 minus 10. It is equal to 10n minus 2. You must be very careful when you subtract like this. 8 minus 10 is not positive 2, it is negative 2. In mathematics, sign convention is that much important. So don't forget negative here. If you write 10n plus 2, you won't get any scores for this. So xn is equal to 10n plus 8 minus 10. It is equal to 10n minus 2. And some students do write like this. It is equal to 8n. Is it possible? No, never. Because there is no n with 2 here, negative 2 here. So 10n minus 2 cannot be abbreviated or cannot be simplified further. You can do something there, you can take out 2 as common factor, but no need of that. Just 10n minus 2 is the final answer. From 10n, you cannot subtract 2. Okay. If there is 2n, you can do it, 8n. So 10n minus 2 is the algebraic form. Hope you have understood this question as well. And thank you for watching my classes.